Crocheted Lace Cords Tutorial 29. This time I will be making a beautiful 3D crochet ribbon or braid. Later I'll show you how to create a larger piece of work using this ribbon. To begin, make 5 chain stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Turn the work the way to have chain stitches on top. Chain 5 to bring up the yarn to the level of double treble crochet. Double treble crochet 3 into the chain space. Yarn over hook 3 times for a double treble stitch. 1, 2, and the last double treble. 3. Now treble crochet 3 through the same chain space. Yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. 2 and the last treble. 3. Into the same chain space, work 2 double crochet stitches. 1 and 2. Chain 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And single crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Now turn the work counterclockwise. Make 5 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double treble crochet 3 into the chain space. Yarn over hook 3 times for a double treble stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Treble crochet 3 through the same chain space. 2 and 3. And double crochet 2 into the same chain space. Now I will be working around the first double post, around this double post. Work 7 double crochet stitches around this double crochet post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last double 7. Chain 1, fold the row to the right and work a slip stitch through the second double on this row. Let's find the second double crochet stitch on this row. Let's start from the beginning of this row. Here we have 3 double treble stitches, 3 treble and 2 double. We need to work through the second double. Insert the hook and work a slip stitch. Now chain 4 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And single crochet through the next double crochet in previous row. Turn the work counterclockwise and repeat the first row. Chain 5 to bring up the yarn. Double treble crochet 3 into the chain space. Yarn over hook 3 times for a double treble stitch. 1, 2, and the last double treble 3. Treble crochet 3 through the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3, and 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain space. Continue chain 4 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet through 3 double crochet stitch, the next double after the one that we made a slip stitch through. Turn the work counterclockwise and work the same row as the one before the previous one. Make 5 turning chains, double treble crochet 3 into the chain space, 1, 2, and 3. Now treble crochet through the same chain space, 1, 2, and 3, and double crochet 2 into the same chain space, and 2. Now continue, work 7 double crochet stitches around the first double post. 7 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 1 and fold the row to the right. Work a slip stitch through the second double in this row. Here is my second double. Work a slip stitch through. Let's continue. Chain 4 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet through the next double crochet in previous row. Continue the next rows the same, repeating the last 2 rows. On this ribbon we have beautiful waves made of double crochet stitches worked around the double post. These rows are folded to the right and cannot be seen from the back side. Here is the same 3D ribbon made of mercerized cotton thread. From the back side, we cannot see the waves of our stitches. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.